Hey everyone, I want to thank the brand for sending me these patio cushions to try out. I know these are typically meant for a chair that kind of sits more upright, but these still work great on our Adirondack chairs. And I just wanted to point out that they do have the ties here so that I can tie them down, especially when it gets windy outside. And then these covers, both this one and this one, have a zipper on here. So they're super easy to unzip, super easy to wash. And this one looks like you might have to pull it even more taut, like it would be difficult to put on, but it's not. I really appreciate the time that they took to line the cushion on the inside with a smooth satiny material so that when you're putting your cushion cover back on, it just slides right on just like butter. So as you can see, it fits our Adirondack chairs nicely as well. Lots of extra padding, and we really like it a lot. So great features, love the color, and the canvas is really rugged and durable as well. We would definitely recommend it. Thanks again to the brand for letting us give these a try.